Hello everybody, today we're looking at a 2016 Hyundai Sonata which is starting to leak water into the passenger compartment. Right under here, passenger sitting in the passenger seat is complaining that their feet's getting wet, so it's definitely leaking water. Behind here is where the drain hose is for the AC. That big hose right there, and that gets fed underneath to right here. That hose right there, let me point to it right here. So that appears to be clogged because water should normally be dripping out of this onto the ground when the AC is running. But instead of dripping out of that, it's just dripping onto the floor. So we're going to use an air hose and try to clean out that line. Okay, so here we've got our little $80 air compressor. And the easiest way to do it is to blow up into it. Because if you disconnect it from that area I showed you, water will start leaking everywhere in the car. So it's going to be a little tricky to film it, but let's see if this works. There it is. Took a second. So what I think I'm going to do is let it drain and then blow it from the other side too. I'll let this run so you can see how much water was in there. It's actually quite a bit. And this car is only 2 years old, and that got clogged already. So in order to do this, you actually probably don't need to jack up the car, but it does make it easier. But if you have somebody small, they can probably fit right in there without jacking up the car first. Okay, well, I'll let you know how long this takes to drain. Okay, so after about 3 full minutes, that hose is pretty much drained. So you'll see, I'm gonna unplug it from here. It's probably still gonna leak. So I'm gonna pad this area, unplug it, and oh, no. It's not leaking. It was pouring out of here when I first unplugged it, and I got this whole area soaked. So the best thing to do if you do have this problem is blow air up from underneath first, because if you unplug this, then water will just get everywhere. It'll just pour right out of that. So alright, so after doing that, now water is dripping out of the drain hose again, as it should, and it looks like the problem is fixed. There was actually quite a bit of water that escaped out of there, and that's probably only half of it. I probably ended up spilling about half of it on the floor, onto the carpet, but yep, that's it. So hopefully that video helps somebody. Thanks for watching.